Assalamualaikum. This is Azra Qasim from Pingo's English School and Eureka School System. Viewers, once again I am here with another scrumptious recipe, which is chicken pasta. So first of all, I am telling the ingredients of this recipe. So kindly note down: spaghettis 450 grams, chicken in cheddar form 400 grams, some vegetables like capsicum 1 cup, and spring onion, carrot both form. After that, some onion, ginger garlic paste. Then I am telling some spices: soya sauce, chili sauce, some herb like oregano and thyme, and some spices like chili powder, crushed form, black pepper, chaat masala, and Chinese salt. And for garnishing, some corns, ketchup and mayonnaise. Now I am telling the procedure. Now I am telling the procedure of boiling chicken. First, we will take a saucepan, pour some water. Then we will add some, I am using 400 grams chicken pieces. So you have to put it in this water, and one pinch salt, and 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. After that, we will heat them and until it became soft, like 20 to 25 minutes. Then secondly, we will boil spaghettis. We will take another saucepan and we will add some water. After that, we will add 1 tablespoon salt and some oil, and we will cook them 10 to 12 minutes until it becomes soft. Okay, now we will move on recipe. First, I will add 2 tablespoon oil, like this, 1 and 2 tablespoon oil. After that, I am adding some onion and green chili as well, and I'll fry it 1 to 2 minutes like this. Secondly, I am adding some ginger and garlic paste, like this. Now I am adding some chicken, which is I have already boiled and make it in cheddar form. I have already told you about that, like this. Now I am adding some red chili, crushed red chili, like this, some black, and half teaspoon. I am adding half teaspoon chaat masala. masala as well. And I sprinkle Chinese salt lastly. And we will cook 4 to 5 minutes. Now we will fry. Secondly, now we will fry vegetables. I'll add 2 tablespoons, 2 to 3 tablespoon oil. 1, 2, and 3. 3 tablespoon oil, and I heat it for some seconds like this. Okay, then first I'll add some capsicum, some spring onion. Spring onion, and carrot as well. I'll mix some carrot as well. Thirdly, I am adding some capsicum, which all are in cutted form like this. Okay viewers, now it's time to adding some spices. I'm adding red chili 1 teaspoon, black pepper, chaat masala for enhancing the taste, and 1 tablespoon chili sauce, soya sauce, and 1 tablespoon chili sauce, and I'll fry 1 to 2 minutes. Viewers, lastly I'll add 1 teaspoon sugar. It enhances the colors of vegetables, and it always looks fresh vegetables like this. And we will cook them for 5 minutes until it becomes soft. Okay viewers, lastly I'm adding some spaghettis like this. Now I am adding some chicken. And some red chili, black pepper, and and chaat masala as well. And we will cook 3 to 4 minutes. After that, I am adding 2 tablespoons red chili sauce and 1 tablespoon soya sauce. And I am adding some herbs like oregano, as you are watching. And we will cook for 1 to 2 minutes. And finally it has done. Now it's time to garnishing. So first of all, I put some chicken on center. After that, I sprinkle some corns like this. And I sprinkle some oregano. Some